Best soldering stations. Are you looking for the best soldering stations? In this video we will look at some of the best soldering stations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Weller WLC 140 Watt Soldering Station. The Weller WLC 100 soldering iron kit is a reliable and affordable option designed to handle a wide range of soldering tasks. With a power output of 40 watts and a temperature capability reaching up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers enough heat for both basic and more demanding applications. It earned strong ratings in our testing, including 4.25 out of 5 for ease of use, 4.5 out of 5 for performance, and an impressive 4.75 out of 5 for overall value, making it one of the best budget-friendly soldering kits available. Although it does not include a digital temperature display, the WLC 100 remains highly effective and dependable. We have used this soldering iron regularly for about 3 years, primarily for stained glass work, and it has consistently provided steady heat and dependable performance. The included SC3 tip is well suited for larger soldering jobs, offering excellent heat transfer for bigger joints and connections. However, it may feel too large for delicate tasks like printed circuit board (PCB) work. Fortunately, the tip is interchangeable, allowing users to switch to a finer tip for more precise soldering. The soldering iron features a sturdy stand that safely holds the iron when not in use and includes a convenient cleaning sponge. While the cord is slightly less flexible compared to newer Weller models, it is still functional and easy to manage. Temperature control is handled through adjustable power settings rather than exact digital readings. In testing, lower settings worked well for standard solder, while higher settings provided sufficient heat for larger joints and sensitive electronic components. Overall, the WLC 100 is a dependable, versatile, and excellent value soldering solution for beginners and experienced users alike. Number 2. Yihua 853D2 A USB SMD Soldering Iron Station. The Yihua soldering station is a powerful and versatile rework system designed for users who need more than a basic soldering iron. With a 75-watt output, it provides strong and consistent heating for a wide range of soldering and repair tasks. The soldering iron offers a temperature range from 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, while the hot air rework gun operates between 212 and 896 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide range makes it suitable for delicate electronics work as well as more demanding soldering applications. It received excellent ratings in testing, including 4.5 out of 5 for ease of use, 4.75 out of 5 for performance, and 4.75 out of 5 for overall value. This station is especially useful for PCB work, small electronic repairs, and projects that require precision. It comes as a complete kit with many helpful accessories, including 10 interchangeable soldering tips, a hot air rework gun, a desoldering pump, and a built-in voltmeter for checking circuits. These extra tools make it easier to fix mistakes, remove solder, and complete detailed repairs with confidence. In testing, the digital temperature display proved accurate. Leaded solder melted smoothly at around 600 degrees Fahrenheit, while lead-free solder flowed properly at approximately 650 degrees Fahrenheit. The hot air gun also performed well, effectively loosening solder for easy removal, although a more focused nozzle would improve precision. The station features a flexible cord for comfortable handling and a sturdy stand for safety and convenience. It even includes lead-free solder to help users get started right away. Overall, the Yihua soldering station is an excellent all-in-one solution for electronics repair, assembly, and advanced soldering projects. Number 3. Smith Air/Acet Kit. The Smith Air/Acetylene Silversmith Soldering Torch is a professional-grade tool designed for high-temperature soldering tasks that require precision and intense heat. Unlike traditional electric soldering irons, this torch can reach temperatures of up to 4,770 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the tip used. It received excellent ratings in testing, including 4.75 out of 5 for ease of use, 4.5 out of 5 for performance, and 4.5 out of 5 for overall value. This level of heat makes it ideal for working with metals such as copper, silver, and gold, but it is not suitable for delicate electronics like printed circuit boards. The torch comes equipped with a number 00 tip, which is very small and allows for precise control when working on fine details, such as jewelry making. However, users must purchase an acetylene tank separately, as it is not included in the kit. Once connected, the flexible hose delivers acetylene gas to the torch, and built-in gauges allow you to control the gas pressure. The system also includes a manual striker for safe ignition. The torch automatically mixes oxygen with acetylene at the correct ratio, so users only need to adjust the pressure using the control knob, with a recommended range of 12 to 14 psi. During testing, silver solder, which melts at around 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, flowed quickly and evenly when heat was applied. The adjustable flame control allows users to switch from a gentle flame to a stronger, more intense one as needed. Overall, this torch is an excellent choice for silversmiths, jewelers, and metalworkers who need reliable, high-temperature soldering performance. Number 4. X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC 75W Soldering Iron Station. The X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC Contact Soldering Station is a powerful and feature-rich tool designed to make soldering tasks faster, easier, and more precise. With a 75-watt heating element, it delivers strong and consistent performance, allowing the soldering iron to reach temperatures between 392 and 896 degrees Fahrenheit in as little as 30 seconds. This fast heat-up time helps improve efficiency, especially when working on time-sensitive projects. The built-in digital display clearly shows the current temperature, making it easy for users to monitor and adjust heat levels for different materials and solder types. One of the standout features of this station is the included helping hands, which securely hold workpieces in place during soldering. These adjustable clamps are extremely useful when working on small components, wires, or metal pieces that need to be positioned accurately. They allow users to keep both hands free, one for controlling the soldering iron and the other for feeding solder, while the helping hands stabilize the project. This makes the soldering process more controlled, precise, and less frustrating. The station also includes a sturdy iron holder designed for safety and convenience. There is a dedicated space for a cleaning sponge and a holder for a tip cleaner, helping users maintain a clean soldering tip for better heat transfer and longer tip life. However, additional cleaning accessories and replacement tips must be purchased separately. Overall, the X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC is a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly soldering station. It is ideal for hobbyists, electronics repair technicians, and anyone looking for a high-performance soldering solution with useful built-in features. Number 5. Yihua 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station. The Yihua 939D Plus soldering station is an excellent option for DIYers and hobbyists who prefer working with lead-free solder. Powered by a 75-watt heating element, this digital contact soldering station delivers consistent and reliable performance. The iron operates within a temperature range of 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, providing more than enough heat to properly melt and flow lead-free solder, which typically requires higher temperatures than traditional leaded solder. The easy-to-read digital display allows users to monitor and adjust the temperature with precision, helping ensure accurate and clean solder joints. To make the kit even more convenient, Yihua includes a roll of lead-free solder, allowing users to get started right away without needing to purchase additional materials. The station also comes with 3 interchangeable soldering tips, giving users flexibility for different types of projects. Whether working on small electronic components or slightly larger connections, the included tips make it easier to match the tool to the task. When the tips wear out over time, they can be easily replaced, extending the life of the station. A soldering tip cleaner is also included, which is especially important when working with lead-free solder. Keeping the tip clean ensures better heat transfer and stronger, more reliable joints. This model is essentially a simplified version of Yihua's larger soldering and rework station. While it offers similar heating performance, it does not include extras like a hot air rework gun or a built-in voltmeter. For users who do not require those advanced features, The 939D Plus provides outstanding value and dependable performance at a more affordable price point.